This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Parnell. Big water views on this beautifully updated waterfront residence perched on a high lot in sought-after Baycliff. No flood insurance required, open spacious interior floor plan with tasteful interior updates throughout. Deep water access with good water depth at all tides, 12 pounds boat lift, cul-de-sac, 2-car garage and much more. Don't miss this beautiful home. For more information, review the details below.